Good morning, everyone. It's such a long time we haven't seen. Today is December the 29th, I believe, 2019, and this is a box from AIS. AIS is a mobile or even a telephone communication provider, I would say, in Thailand, and yesterday they offer a very special deal, as they always do at that shop, and I happen to witness this. So whatever in the box is gonna be my New Year gift for myself. As you can see, this it is HUAWEI Nova 5T. I decided to buy this phone since I have been interested in it, in terms of its performance, in terms of its looks or its appearance. Even though this is not a latest release product by Huawei on the market, but I'm still interested in it. It comes with ROM 128GB and RAM 8GB RAM. It is black, yeah. It comes with a free case. I'm not gonna lie that I haven't opened the box, but by the way, you know, we are supposed to check the product before we leave the shop. So the officer says, please at least let them check if it works. So I said, okay, open the box. Alright. So, by the way, since I wanted to do the vlog for unboxing, so in this video you're gonna watch this closely together with me. Alright. Okay. This here. We don't care of the back, but we carry this. This is like a trend of a new phone in this era. Always come in this. Nothing around except for this little barcode. Check this out, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh, I believe this is the screen protector on the back. Plastic. It's really black. Okay, let's check out there. This is the speaker. Yeah, what? A blaster? I believe this should be an antenna, right? From what I learned, this should be an antenna. The main microphone on the left. The SIM on the left, the SIM card slot. On the bottom, the second microphone, type C slot. This should be the main loudspeaker. On the right we have fingerprint scanner, and it is lock and unlock button, volume up and down. The front facing camera is on the left. This is called a punch hole camera, right? Style. In the back, it comes with four cameras. I don't know about the details. Alright, so I will leave this assigned for a while. and check whatever we have. Yeah, the first thing we see is a SIM tool. As I say, it should comes with a free case, and of course this is a rubber case. Crystal clear? Not really. Yeah, but it looks okay. I may need to find a new one. Okay, I put this. Oh, and the manual, which we love to read, right? Who cares? Uh-oh, power brick from HUAWEI. This is supercharged. I'm not so sure how many watt it deliver. Yeah, just claim it supercharged. Power cord, Type C power cord, yes. Man, that's why everyone loves this brand. They offer free headphones. Okay, looks great. Put everything aside and yeah, we're gonna talk about this. Let's peel this off. Ooh, what is this? Can I remove this? Or I will leave this sticker there for maybe 2 or 3 days, since it's still under 7-day warranty for any case. Turn it on. No battery? Seriously? I just have to push it longer a little bit. Wow, I love this. I decided to reset my phone, and we're gonna start booting it up together. EMUI factory reset low level. I'm going to skip it real fast. Yeah. Wow, take a look at this. This is very nice. Man, I have heard a lot that this phone is a beast. I believe I'm going to stick with this for at least a year or more until a new beast comes to the market. You guys may say that there are so many bees in the market right now, but you know, according to the budget, to me this is considered a budget phone, since I've got it around $170 US dollars. Yeah. So I'm recording this video by using XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite. Okay, here comes the welcome screen. Welcome. I love using English version. Select region where Thailand is, we have to find. Next, terms of use. Boom. Yep. Insert SIM card. It's still in the XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite. No, let me skip. Data import after this. Not now. Or this means that this phone offers both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi service. So I'm gonna go with 5G first. Connected. Checking for update. Connecting. Just a second. Signed in. Back up to Google Drive. Blah 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 blah. See what's right here. More, but not now. Oh man. Huawei ID login access Huawei cloud. I will find my phone later. Please enable skip. Yeah, please skip. Set fingerprint ID, face unlock, password. Maybe I have to try the fingerprint to see if it works. Enroll fingerprint each. What? Here? Seriously? You want it like this? Really? Oh man, this is very detailed. Let me try just one. Enhance it. No thanks. Later. Enable and currently keep yourself up to date. Update manually. Enable and continue. Wow. Take a look here. It's 7:35 a.m. here in Thailand. Wow, the screen looks so awesome to me. Hi board. I don't know what you are. Let me skip though. The camera. Switch camera mode. What? Let's see here. Check this out. This is normal zoom length, right? This is wide angle length. This is too extreme. I see. This option will be very useful for me when I go to a seminar and I have to take some photo from a very distance, so I can zoom in and get some good photos. Alright, I'm gonna talk about this later. Oh, this is front facing camera. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. I believe this phone should comes with Android 10, but let me check. New system settings, downloaded, restart to install. Not now, later. System, about phone. Oh, Android version 9. Android version 9. CPU Huawei Kirin 980. RAM. Man. Android security pad. Okay, guys. Let me end it like this. This is just a hands-on and a little touch of HUAWEI Nova 5T, my New Year present that I bought for myself. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching, love you. Please leave a comment, thumb up, like, and I will come back with more details about the phone.